The number one rule when buying real estate is the location. And our newest listing is located 1 minute of a walk from this amazing school, 2 minutes to this great plaza, 5 minutes from Highway 410, and so much more. Come on in, let's show you the house.
We were laughing through the pain, you were never once so bad.
Property features an open concept floor plan, 4 spacious bedrooms, a 2-bedroom finished basement apartment with side entrance for immediate rental income.
Cut the cord that kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above.
I hope you enjoyed the tour. Call me if you're interested.